So there's my jet. It's sitting in its hangar, and I'm just swinging from side to side. You can see it's all 3D. This is the configuration screen, and this is going to be a refueling mission, so I don't want much fuel in there to start. We're going to go out and find the tanker and practice aerial refueling. Let's do that. First thing is to align the real world with the virtual world. You do that by squaring up your chair, making sure you're sitting straight, and then putting the hat on. You're immediately dropped into the airplane. Right there. So let's grab the controls like this. And we can open our fuel port and we can find our plane. There it is. Let's go up and get that. And just lean into it a little. And we're going to come up behind it. See if we can connect smoothly and take some fuel. Slow down a lot. Hit the brakes. Hit the brakes. And there's the task. Match the speed and the position. And she'll give you fuel. Come on, come on. Whoops. All right, I'll try. Worst pilot ever. Slow down, slow down. One more time. Okay, well, I appreciate it, but I can't do this. It's too hard. I would say this whole thing is probably not too good of a result. Yeah, the vehicle was destroyed. Okay, let's finish the mission. And that's enough for right now. Video toggle.